Hello, wonderful friends. Today we're talking about something truly special: online communities. They are like our favorite social gatherings, but in the digital world. Remember the joy of sharing stories with friends? Online communities offer that same warmth. They are spaces where people with shared interests connect. Whether you love gardening, books, or history, there's a community for you. It's like a global neighborhood, accessible right from your computer or smartphone. Let's dive in and explore how these online spaces can enrich your life. Imagine a virtual coffee shop. You see familiar faces and make new friends. You chat, share stories, and learn from each other. That's what online communities are all about. These communities exist on platforms like Facebook, online forums, and dedicated websites. They are spaces where you can join discussions, share your passions, and connect with like-minded individuals. Think of it like joining a book club, but you can do it from your couch anytime you like. You can comment on posts, share your thoughts, and even send private messages to other members. It's all about building connections and finding your tribe, no matter where you are in the world. Online communities offer a wealth of benefits, especially for seniors. These digital spaces are more than just websites. They are vibrant, interactive hubs where seniors can connect with others. They combat loneliness by providing a sense of belonging and connection. In these communities, seniors can find friends who understand their experiences and share their interests. Imagine being able to chat with people who share your hobbies, even if they live miles away. Whether it's knitting, gardening, or playing chess, there's a group for everyone. It's like having a social gathering at your fingertips. You can join virtual events, participate in group calls, and feel like you're part of a community without leaving your home. These communities also provide a platform for learning new things, from educational videos to virtual classes. The opportunities for growth are endless. Whether you're interested in technology, learning new computer skills, cooking, trying out new recipes, or exploring travel destinations, you'll find groups eager to share their knowledge and experiences. Interactive workshops and discussions make learning fun and engaging. And let's not forget the emotional support. These communities are a lifeline for many, offering a place to share feelings and receive comfort. Online communities can be incredibly welcoming and understanding, offering a safe space to share experiences and seek advice. The empathy and support found here are invaluable. It's like having a network of friends who are always there for you, ready to listen and offer encouragement. This sense of community can greatly enhance, the quality of life for seniors, making them feel valued and connected. The beauty of online communities is their diversity. There's something for everyone, no matter your interests. Do you love gardening? Join a gardening forum and swap tips on growing the perfect tomatoes. Are you a history buff? Connect with fellow enthusiasts and discuss your favorite historical events. There are communities for book lovers, movie buffs, travel enthusiasts, and everything in between. You can even find groups dedicated to specific hobbies like knitting, photography, or cooking. The possibilities are endless. It's about finding your niche, your people, and building connections based on shared passions. Your step-by-step guide to joining the fun. In this section, we'll walk you through the simple steps to become a part of an online community and start enjoying the benefits of connecting with like-minded individuals. Joining an online community is easier than you think. With just a few clicks, you can be part of a vibrant group that shares your passions and interests. First, decide what interests you. Take a moment to think about what activities or topics you enjoy the most. Is it cooking, travel, or perhaps something else entirely? Maybe you're interested in learning a new language or picking up a new skill. Once you know what you're looking for, you can start exploring different platforms. The internet is full of options, so don't be afraid to dive in and see what's out there. Facebook groups are a great place to start as they offer a wide variety of communities. From cooking clubs to travel enthusiasts, there's something for everyone. Simply search for your interest and you'll find a list of groups to join. Look through the options and see which ones catch your eye. You can also explore online forums, which are dedicated spaces for discussing specific topics. These forums can be a treasure trove of information and support. When you find a community that piques your interest, take some time to read through the posts and get a feel for the group's atmosphere. This will help you understand the community's vibe and whether it's a good fit for you. Once you're ready, click that join button and introduce yourself. Share a little about who you are and what you're interested in. This is your chance to start building connections and making new friends. Staying safe in the online world. While online communities offer wonderful opportunities for connection, it's important to stay safe. The internet can be a fantastic place to meet new people, learn new things, and stay in touch with loved ones. Just like in the real world, it's essential to be mindful of your interactions. Always be cautious about who you are talking to and what information you are sharing. Remember to protect your personal information. This includes your passwords, social security number, and any other sensitive data that could be used to steal your identity. Avoid sharing sensitive details, like your home address, phone number, or financial information. Even seemingly harmless information can be used by scammers to piece together your identity. It's also crucial to be aware of scams. Scammers are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and their tactics can be very convincing. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of offers that promise large sums of money, free gifts, or other incentives that seem unrealistic. Be cautious of requests for money or personal information. Scammers often pose as legitimate companies or even friends and family members to trick you into giving them what they want, and most importantly, trust your instincts. If something feels off or makes you uncomfortable, it's better to be safe than sorry. Don't hesitate to leave the group or block the user. Your online safety is just as important as your physical safety. Remember, your safety and well-being are paramount. Taking these precautions can help you navigate the online world with confidence. By following these tips, you can enjoy the benefits of online communities while staying protected. Stay informed, stay cautious, and most importantly, stay safe. Overcoming challenges and embracing the digital age. We understand that navigating the digital world can feel overwhelming at times. But remember, you don't have to be a tech expert to enjoy the benefits of online communities. Start small. Join one group that interests you and see how it goes. There are also resources available to help seniors build their digital skills. Local libraries often offer free computer classes, and there are online tutorials designed specifically for beginners. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Your children, grandchildren, or friends can also provide guidance and support. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Take your time, be patient, and celebrate your progress. Sharing is caring. Spreading the joy of online communities. Once you've experienced the joy of online communities, why not share it with others? Encourage your friends, family members, and fellow seniors to join the fun. You can share information about different communities, offer tips for getting started, and even create your own group based on your shared interests. Imagine the impact of creating a welcoming online space for seniors in your community. You could host virtual coffee chats, book discussions, or even online exercise classes. By spreading the word and supporting each other, we can create a more connected and fulfilling digital world for everyone. Your journey to connection starts today. The world of online communities awaits. It's a place to connect, learn, and grow, all from the comfort of your own home. Embrace the possibilities, find your tribe, and rediscover the joy of shared passions. Remember, you're never too old to learn, connect, and explore the wonders of the digital age. So, what are you waiting for? Your journey to connection starts today.